this guide, we're going to go over how you can change or re-roll your stand stats here in Bizarre Lineage on Roblox. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, to re-roll your stand here in Bizarre Lineage, you actually need a special item called a stand personality essence or a stand stat essence. These items will allow you to re-roll the hidden bonuses attached to your stand. Now, you can only use these essences directly from your inventory while your stand is equipped. So go ahead and open up your inventory, find your stand arrow, equip your stand arrow, get your stand equipped, and then from here we could go ahead and get those essences. And you can buy them using prestige points from the Archmage NPC in the hospital down there. And this is at bus stop 10 if you just want to fast travel here, but sometimes players are going to roll a really rare stand, but the stats end up being terrible, and that's why rerolling your stand stats is so important, especially if you want to perform well in PvP fights or raids. Now, every stand has two main hidden systems that affect how strong it actually is. The first one is stand personalities. A personality is basically a passive bonus attached to your stand. Depending on the RNG, it might increase damage, improve mobility, and add crowd control effects, or give healing during combat. A strong personality can turn an average stand into something much stronger. The second system is core stats. Every stand rolls three main stats: attack, speed, and special, and these stats are graded using a letter system from D to S. Attack, speed, and special is the three main ones. One important thing to remember though is that you cannot lock individual stats. When you re-roll your stats, all three values are going to change at the exact same time. You can't lock a specific one. Now, you cannot buy essences until you unlock the prestige shop, which you need 10,000 cash and at least level 50. And then in bus stop 10, if you run all the way in here, you'll see the Archmage. Interact with them, go ahead and get the prestige shards, and then go to the prestige shop where you can go ahead and spend those prestige points in order to reroll your stand. Open up your inventory, make sure the reroll that you want is equipped, and then of course go ahead and reroll just like so using that stand stat essence. Now, it is mostly RNG, but if you keep using essences, you'll finally get the one that you do want. If you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.